Hi friends, welcome back. This is Manish Pandey. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to check if value is numeric or not. So in this scenario, I am going to take here one example. We have this type of data in Excel in which we have first column, that is account number. So I want to check whenever I will process this part, first I will check if this account number is numeric, then I need to process with this part. If this is not numeric, I am going to skip that part and pick other, or like I can break the loop and say that okay, this Excel file has not numeric value, or this account number is not numeric, like that. So for that, let me take here one assign activity that is just for the Excel file path, and our Excel file path is sample file dot XLSX. Now let me take here one read range activity, enter here that Excel file path sheet 1 and delete this from range, store this in a data table, that is employee DT. So this is a data table. Check this add headers. Now we need to take one by one all this data from this account number, not from this, because we just need to check this account number. So we'll take loop through each records. If this is correct, then that's okay. If this is correct, then that's okay. If this is not numeric, like that. So let me put here one A, B, C, something like that. Okay. So this is not numeric. So take here for each, because we will loop through each row from that employee data table. Enter here for each current row, or like for each account number, data table employee DT, and this is not required, just leave it. Now here in the body, let's take here one assign activity, and here what we can do, just try to convert this number, whatever number here we are getting, convert this number to integer. If you are able to convert, it means that is integer. If not, it means that is not integer. Now so here we'll write control K account number. So this is our account number. We can write here like INT. So this is integer account number. Let me take here one variable for integer, that is integer, and let me write here account number. So this is our for each row. So I'm going to take here for each account number and for each account number of column name. So we are going to put here the column name. So my column name is 0. So I'm going to get the data from first column, it means row of 0, and write here convert dot to integer 32. Okay. So it will take from the first column and it will give you the data one by one. So if we are able to convert to integer, so it will assign to this value. If not, it will throw an error. Now what will happen if we'll throw an error? How can we manage that? Let me first show you here. So for that, just click on this assign activity and press Ctrl T. So what will happen? This activity will move to the try catch. So we are going to catch this error. So if there is an error, so go to the catches section, select system.exception, take here one assign activity, take here one boolean control K, that is for non numeric, something like that, non-numeric found equal to true. Take here this as a boolean, non-numeric found as a boolean. Now what will happen here, once if we'll get an error, it will go to the catches part and it will assign value non-numeric found equal to true. If there is no error, so we can assign like we can take here and we can say non-numeric found equal to false. It means this is numeric value. Now here we can take here one if condition and we can check here if non-numeric. Okay, so we are not getting here, just change the scope of that variable. So we'll write here non-numeric equals to true. If this is true, then we can say a message box like non-numeric value found. And in the else part we can say numeric value, right? Now what we can do here, now let's run this one. So first one, there is no error because we are able to convert, because our number is integer. So non-numeric found false. Now it will check here non-numeric found or not. No, because we have numeric values. Now go to second number, again numeric value found. Now going to third value, that is AV, that is not numeric value, so we are getting error. Now we already have this activity in the try catch, so there is no problem. So now it is showing true. Come to this if condition. Now we are going to the true section, so non-numeric found. So by this way we can check our value is numeric or not. Okay, and once non-numeric value found, if you want to send an email, you want to break the loop, so you can take here break loop. So by this way you can break the loop and it will exit from this process. Let me run this again. So first value numeric, second numeric, third is non-numeric, and loop break. So by this way you can find the numeric value and you can find the non-numeric value. I hope this is helpful. If so, please like this video and please subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed yet. Thank you so much for watching this video.